Both the Benton and Washington County prosecutors say their cases are backlogged. They say victims and defendants are anxious to get their days in court, but they say that can't happen until the courtrooms can open safely.
I'm not saying that a prosecutor or a defense attorney or a judge should leapfrog over a 75-year-old with pre-existing conditions. I totally get that. But if we're doing essential government workers, I think that the people involved in the criminal justice system are essential.
Today, the Arkansas Supreme Court released an opinion urging the governor to include justice system essential workers in the current phase of 1B. Those workers include judges, attorneys, prosecutors, and jurors. The court argues essential government employees need to be moved up on the list.
The answer is getting back to in-person court. We can't do that until it's safe. And the sooner that all these parties get vaccinated, then the sooner that it's going to be safe to do that.
The governor says he appreciates the concern of the court, but says for now it's not their turn to get vaccinated. He released a statement that says, in part, quote, "Our schedule for vaccinations takes into account the needs and risk level for all Arkansans, and this group is not yet eligible in the 1B phase. As our allocation of vaccine increases, we will be able to move more quickly, but currently, court employees who don't otherwise qualify for a shot will have to wait for their eligibility." County prosecutors say their courts have been able to adapt during the pandemic with virtual hearings, but they really need to get back to in-person jury trials to keep things moving.
I'm not really concerned about lawyers as much as I am the general public feeling comfortable to come to court, serve on juries, because we're still pleading cases now. What we can't do is have jury trials like we normally do. And so that creates that small percentage of cases that just linger on the docket longer than they normally would.
It's important to note that essential government workers are in phase 1B. They're just not eligible yet for the vaccine because the state has split up phase 1B into several different groups. Reporting live in Washington County, Emma Claybrook, 4029 News.